Hi everyone, and welcome to my video. In this video, I'm going to be going over ChatGPT blog prompts, mastering SEO and engagement. I'm going to be covering how I put together 10 different blog prompts in a certain style, like based on your favorite writer, somebody that's well known, somebody that's very good at whatever he or she does, like writing to be exact. I'm going to tell you, read over the prompt I gave it, and then how I refined it to make it even better, and then ultimately how it gave me a very good prompt that you can use yourself. You just got to come over to my blog post that's on my blog after you watch this video, and then you can come over and copy and paste those and use those as your starting point to create great ChatGPT prompts for your content marketing for your next blog post. And I'm also going to leave a free course down below that goes an hour. It's an hour course. It's very good, very in-depth, and it shows you my step-by-step process, how I use ChatGPT to create amazing content that ranks well in the search engine. So that'll give you a little head start if you're blogging. So pick that up as well. So with that being said, let's dive into this video, and I'm going to show you the prompt I put into ChatGPT 4 originally, how I refined it, and what it gave me. And then you can, if you like what you see, you want to use it as a starting point, like I said, come on over, visit me on my blog, copy and paste that, and then use that inside your ChatGPT account. All right, here's my prompt. It says, I need you to be a prompt engineer and give me 10 prompts. It's better to use the word act. I put to be. So you should say, I need you to act as a prompt engineer and give me 10 prompts that are in-depth, being creative, that would give me the best possible output when creating blog posts that fit these 3 criteria. Number 1, must write like a world-class copywriter, turning eyeballs into sales and hooking readers in the style of Gary Halbert. Now, Gary Halbert's one of the legendary copywriters out there. There are a lot more. I just chose him as this example, so you can put whatever you want in there, obviously, to coincide with whatever you're writing about. Number 2, must not use big words and write at a high school reading level, making it sound as human as possible. Remember, you are a human writer, not an AI, so alter your writing style to be more human. Number 3, must not regurgitate content already on the internet, which ChatGPT pretty much does anyways. I'm just trying to make it more unique, as unique as possible, and give it something, a better output than it normally would. So number 3 is must not regurgitate content already on the internet. I need unique outputs not found anywhere on the internet that makes it sound as human as possible that you have done your research. Your next step is to write prompts fitting all these criteria that cover these closely related topics like SEO, blogging, web traffic, ChatGPT for blogging, and anything closely related that I may have left out. You may begin. Now, this is something I just put together real quick. I could have made it better, but it's a good starting point. And at the end here where I say SEO, blogging, obviously if you're using this, you could put in whatever you're writing about, and it'll adjust to whatever you're writing about. So let's see what it came up with. This one was not, it wasn't exactly what I was looking for. I put redo, follow the directions. I want you to create prompts for yourself based on these criteria, like act as, for example, and give yourself step-by-step directions to get the best possible output. So let me say that one more time. Redo, follow the directions that I gave you. I want you to create prompts for yourself based on these criteria, like act, for example, like I was telling you earlier, act as, prompt engineer, act as your favorite writer, act as whoever it may be, and give yourself step-by-step directions to get the best possible output. Now, this is where it started getting a little better. Understood. To create content that meets our criteria, writing like a world-class copywriter, high school reading level, and producing unique human-like content. I'll design prompts that guide AI in a step-by-step manner, focusing on the topics of SEO, blogging, web traffic, and using ChatGPT for blogging. Here's a prompt for crafting engaging SEO content. Write a blog post about the Top 5 SEO strategies for 2024 using the engaging and persuasive style of a world-class copywriter. Ensure the language is clear, simple, and relatable, suitable for a high school reading level. Focus on providing unique insights and practical tips that are not commonly found on the internet. That's a good prompt there. Prompt for creating a beginner's guide to blogging. Compose an introductory guide to blogging for beginners. You use a conversational tone to make the content engaging and easy to understand. Avoid technical jargon and explain blogging concepts in a way that sounds human and approachable. Include unique tips and personal insights to make the content stand out. Pretty decent. Prompt for writing and increasing web traffic. Develop a post on innovative ways to increase web traffic in 2024. Channel the persuasive power of a top copywriter to make the content compelling. Write it in simple language and include unique strategies or case studies that provide fresh perspectives not commonly discussed online. Now, that was the top 3. I'm not going to go through all 10. I made it even better. My next question I asked it was, good job. Can we go even more in depth on these prompts and add to them to be even more descriptive? Maybe say act as the best blogger and pick the best blogger, act as the best SEO specialist for blogging, etc., etc. Expand on these instructions, please. And this is when it came up real good to get what I was looking for. Certainly, expanding on the prompts of more detailed instructions and adopting the personas of leading experts in the respective fields can enhance the depth and authenticity of the content. Here are the revised in-depth prompts. Now, these came out pretty good, and you can make them even better. So these would be a good starting point for you. And like I said, you can add to it and make them even better, but these are good as is. Number 1, prompt for crafting engaging SEO content as Neil Patel. And if you don't know who Neil Patel is, he's one of the, most people do, but he's one of the best SEO experts on the planet and internet marketers in general. So in this prompt, it says, act as Neil Patel, a renowned SEO expert, and I read a blog post about the top 5 strategies, SEO strategies for 2024. Emulate Neil's engaging and educational style using clear, simple language appropriate for a high school reading level. Focus on providing unique insights and practical yet innovative tips that are not commonly found on the internet. Include real-world examples and case studies to illustrate these strategies. So that's a really good prompt there. And obviously you could put in whoever you want to fit whatever you're writing about. Number 2, prompt for creating a beginner's guide to blogging as Darren Rouse. And he's like an expert on blogging. Adopt the persona of Darren Rouse from Pro Blogger. Compose an introductory guide to blogging for beginners using Darren's friendly and authoritative tone. Avoid technical jargon and explain the concepts in a way that's relatable and human. Include unique tips, personal anecdotes, and practical advice to help new bloggers start their journey. Another good prompt. And then you got a prompt for writing about increasing web traffic as Brian Dean. A prompt for exploring ChatGPT and blogging as Seth Godin. That's a really good one. Create an article exploring the use of ChatGPT in enhancing blogging, adopting Seth Godin's concise and thought-provoking style. Make sure the content is straightforward, avoid complex terminology, and offer original examples or applications of ChatGPT in blogging. Discuss how ChatGPT can be a game changer in creating remarkable and impactful blog content. And then you got one prompt for discussing blogging trends as Tim Ferriss. Prompt for a post on crafting compelling blog titles as David Ogilvy. Prompt for an article on content marketing as Ann Handley. Prompt for a guide on social media integration and blogging as Gary Vaynerchuk. Everybody knows who he is. Prompt for a post on building an online community through blogging as Pat Flynn. Prompt for an article of using analytics and blogging as Rand Fishkin. Now, ChatGPT picked all these because these are authorities in the industry, but obviously you can write yours in a different style to fit whatever it is you're writing about, or somebody that closely resembles your writing style. But these are all, I don't want to read through all of them, but it gives you a general idea of, these are all very good prompts. So you can come on over to my blog, copy these down, and then, like I said, they're going to be a good starting point if you're using ChatGPT for writing your next blog post. And it'll give you really good outputs. And this is the blog post right here. jaysonlinereviews.com, writing prompts for bloggers. And I made this attractive AI model using GPT-4 real quick for this blog post. But I got all the prompts. They're going to be right here. So you can just come on over, find the prompts you like, and use them as you see fit. If you want to link to me, that'd be great. If not, no big deal either. Feel free to use them and help build your blogging business, your content marketing business. So with that being said, I'm going to end this video. I hope you found it useful. There's a few good tips in there. I'd appreciate it if you hit the like button. I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. And come on over and visit me on my blog. Sign up for my free video, hour long. Very good, and where I give you some more tips on how I'm using GPT-4 to create awesome blog posts that are ranking in Google. So with that being said, thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.